So guys, on this video, I'm going to show you this website that allow me to make $55 plus by just completing a very simple task online. So I don't just want to talk too much. Let me take you to the application and show you around it. You can use this method either from your smartphone or from your computer. But I'm going to show you from my computer because it will be more simple for me to just navigate around it. So as you can see guys on the screen here, this is the website which is called PaidViewpoint. So PaidViewpoint is an application that allows you to give your honest opinion about a particular software, tools or services, and you are going to get paid by doing this. You are going to get paid in dollars. So that is what is good. So the first thing that you need to do is to look around this website which is called PaidViewpoint platform, just for you to understand how the platform works and the pros and cons about the website and if it's a legit platform or not. When I click on similar web here, you will see that this website is getting roughly 2 million plus visitors every single month, and this program or this platform is available on Apple Store and they are available too on Google Play Store. So PaidViewpoint is available in iOS and Android. So just go and download the application right now if you want to start using this platform. So the link of this website will be in the description. If you want, click on it to access this website which is called PaidViewpoint. So to join this program, you just need to click on the sign up button and it's going to bring you up here. Either you can sign up with your Google account or you can sign up with your Apple account. So just enter your email here and you click on create an account, and they are going to send you an email where you'll be able to go to your Gmail account and verify this your PaidViewpoint account. So once you have done that, then your account will be created. What you need to do is to go to your profile. So once you have entered all those details from your account session, then you click on update. Then PaidViewpoint is going to start sending you tasks that you can complete and get paid. So let me log into my PaidViewpoint account so that I will show you around this website. So as you can see here now, I have just logged into my own account. Let me show you that this is my own account. You can see high horsepower. You have one survey available. So I have one task to complete and it's just a 1 minute task, and I'm going to get paid 3 cents, which is not a lot of money, but more you are into this business model or more you are taking tasks, more you have the chance of taking tasks that can make you a lot of money. So that is one thing that I want to let you know. You can see the total amount of money that I have earned from the people that I refer and the money that I've earned by just participating on this program. So you can see here I have earned $55 plus by just using this program. And as you can see currently right now, I have $6 that I have on this my account that I have not cashed out. So that is one thing that I want you to understand here. Before we talk about the cash out method, let us just dip into on how you can use this program. So this program, you can use 2 ways to make money online from it. So you can use the first way, which is by taking surveys, and anyone that any survey that you complete, you are going to get paid. Even if you don't complete the task, you still have the chance of being able to earn some cents, even if you don't make all the whole money that they told you that you are going to receive. That is one thing that I like about this website, which is called PaidViewpoint. So to start taking tasks, what you need to do is to click on the section where it said take survey. It's going to last 1 minute, but me, I'm going to be fast, so it will be very short. So I will click on take, and here maybe it will ask you for your location, but I will close that because I don't want to allow anything like location while I'm taking survey. Just be careful because some of this platform might be a scamming, but I have been using this platform which is called PaidViewpoint for long now, and I've never had an issue with them. So all I need to do is to click on accept the terms and conditions on my personal data, and I click on connect next, and it's going to bring us here. Say what is the fuel type of your primary vehicle. You can click a gasoline, diesel, and fuel. You just depend on what you are using on your car. You know, you can say a battery electric. So I'm just going to click on this one here, battery electric, and I'll click on next. Do you live in Vardeman? And if you live in Vardeman, you can just click on yes. You can say no. So I will just click on yeah, no, I live in Rome, and I will click on next. So it's asking us another question here. So all I need to do is just to click on no. and click on here. I click on no. Here I will 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 click on yes. Here I will click on yes, and let us see what it's going to do. You can see, congratulations, you have just earned 3 cents, and you can see the points have been added here. So you can see recently increased by 3 cents, and yeah, so that is how you can take surveys with this website, which is called PaidViewpoint, and start using it to make money online for 100% free. So now you know how you can take the surveys. So what are other ways that you can use to make money from this program? You can see here, hi God's Power, happy to see you again. We are preparing your next survey. So once survey is available, you'll find it here. So the next way that you can use to make money from this program is to refer people. So when I click on invite a friend, it's going to bring us here. So all I need to do now is to send my referral link to anyone. If they use my link, I'm going to earn 20% to 2% lifetime recurring from the person that I refer to this program. So that is what is very, very good. So if I copy this my link now, share it with anyone that use it, I'm going to make 20% from any amount that they make on this program. You can see that I refer 9 people to this program, and they are using it, and I'm making money from them every time they earn money. So they earn any money they earn, I get some percentage from inside. Any money they earn, I get some percentage from inside. That is one thing that is very, very good. You see, every time they cash out, you will get 20% of every research survey rewarded they have accumulated. Invite as many as you want and as much as you can. So that is it, guys. That is how you can make money from this website, which is called Paidviewpoint. So how can you be, there's some people when they use this platform, they see they are now getting surveys. So how can you get a good service, or why are you not getting surveys? The reason why you are not getting surveys is because you did not set up your profile properly. You set up it up and down. Make sure that you organize your work and just be honest about what you are saying, and they are going to know that you are lying. That is one thing that people don't understand. Enter all your information, your first name, last name. Make sure that your email account is verified, and once you do all these other things, you enter your information correctly, you are going to be in the right place of making money. So more you make money, more you'll be having this point here. There's a score point. This point is what is going to allow you to be getting more chance of getting more surveys to complete. So once you have any point, any amount you receive, the coin will be increasing. As you can see right now, I have 10,000 coin because I have hit the limit. I have already hit the limit because I've been using this website for a decade now. And yeah, so that is just to let you know that I am using this platform. I'm very, very active on this platform. Why? Is because anything that you are doing here is very quick and it's very fast, and you get money. Even if you don't complete the task, you will still get some free cash. So that is one thing that I like about this website, which is called Paidviewpoint. So what are the things that I don't like from this website? First is that you will not earn a lot of money from this website. That is one thing that I don't like. And they don't give a lot of survey that you can complete. And another thing, the survey that they are giving is not paying well. It pays very, very little, so there's not a lot of money that you can make from this program. And the fourth or third is that this website is too simple. It's too simple to use, which for me is good. But another thing that I don't still like is that the minimum amount to cash out is $15, which will take you like decades to even hit $15. Because imagine that you are making $1 each time you complete task. How many survey are you going to complete to be able to get that $15? Is going to take long. But for me, why it's not taking too much long time is because since my score, this score here say this your try score. Your try score is what is helping me, because it make them to give me more service. More this your score is increasing, more you'll be in a chance of getting more service. There's some time they even give me service for 5 euros, 10 euros to just complete, and I'm getting paid after I finished completing the task. So those are the things that I think that is not very okay with this program. And how you can cash out is very good. It's very simple. Make sure that the email you use to create your account, that email have to be the same email you use to create your PayPal account. The payment method that they have is PayPal, so they don't have any other payment method from this country where I'm living. Maybe in other country they might have, but where I live now, they don't have other payment method except PayPal. So when I click on the balance here, or let us say I click on cash out, it's going to bring us here, and you are going to see that I need $8.36 to be able to cash out my money, and the money will be sent into my PayPal account if I have set up my payment method as PayPal. So that is everything that I want to let you know that concern this website, which is called Paidviewpoint. So I'm going to end this video from here. If there is things I didn't cover, you can let me know in the comment section, and I will reply you as soon as I see comment. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing, you can click on this video that is going to pop up right now, or in the description below, to access on how you can make money with affiliate marketing. And again, don't forget, like, share my video, and don't forget to follow me on Telegram. I am Real God's Power on all platforms. So thank you very much, guys, and I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.